depressions are there. From this depression, the anterior root is coming out. This is called anterior lateral. Actually, it is lateral side. The anterior lateral sulcus. This is called anterior lateral sulcus. At the posterior side, you see just here on either side of the posterior median sulcus, a groove is there. See, these two grooves are there. These are posterior intermediate sulcus, posterior intermediate lateral sulcus or intermediate sulcus. Okay, it is lateral to this sulcus, so it is posterior intermediate lateral sulcus, and again lateral to this posterior intermediate sulcus. This is called, this one is called posterior lateral sulcus, through which the sensory nerves are coming. The sensory, this is the root of sensory root, okay, dorsal root. And this is the dorsal root ganglia. All the peripheral nerves which are entering, sensory nerves which are entering into the spinal cord, they either pass through this ganglia or end here. Then a second nerve fiber enter into the spinal cord through this dorsal root. So this is the dorsal root. This is the ventral root. Dorsal root is entering into the spinal cord through this posterior lateral sulcus, and anterior root is coming out through the anterior lateral sulcus. They combine to form the spinal nerve to the periphery. Clear? Up to this, is it clear up to this, or shall I repeat?
Repeat, ma'am, one time.
Repeat. See, it is actually not a circular structure. There are several furrows, and furrows are there. So this portion is anterior portion of the spinal cord. This is the posterior portion of the spinal cord. If you see that in the anterior portion, there is a deep furrow. Furrow is present. Okay, this is called anterior median fissure. This is called anterior median fissure. On either side of anterior median fissure, एक depression है. देखो एक depressed area are there on lateral side, lateral to this anterior median fissure. Depression is there. This is called anterior side में ये depression है. So depressions are called sulcus here. The sulcus, anterior lateral sulcus, anterior side and lateral side. So it's called anterior lateral sulcus. From this anterior lateral sulcus, actually the anterior nerve root is coming out. Ventral nerve root or motor nerve root is coming out through this. At the back side, at the posterior side, at the center, there is a depression called posterior median sulcus. This is called posterior median sulcus. From the posterior median sulcus, a glial cell partition, neuroglial cell partition, extends up to the gray matter that divides the white matter, posterior white matter, into two equal halves. This is called posterior in the middle, so it is called posterior median septum. It's a septum, so it is called posterior median septum. Now, on lateral side, on either side of the, or lateral to this posterior median sulcus की lateral side में एक intermediate sulcus है. See, either is both are same. ये fissure की पास में ये anterior lateral sulcus होता, ऐसा posterior की पास में ऐसा lateral sulcus भी होता, posterior lateral sulcus होता, मगर इसके बीच में ऑक है, so this is called intermediate. ये posterior side में है, so posterior intermediate sulcus. Posterior intermediate sulcus, and posterior intermediate sulcus की lateral to this posterior intermediate sulcus, another deep sulcus is there. वो sulcus से sensory nerve is entering into the spinal cord. ये sulcus है. ये sulcus बने हुए because nerves are entering into the spinal cord through this sulcus or through this depression. This is called, ये posterior side में है, so it is called posterior lateral sulcus. This is also called posterior lateral sulcus. Okay. So these are the sulcus of the and furrow of the spinal cord. Now you see here the spinal nerves. This is the dorsal nerve root.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अभी ये तक ठीक है तो हाँ now let's देखो अभी द इंटर सॉरी देखो see internal neural structure of spinal cord, this is the inside of the spinal cord. Neural structure of spinal cord is divided into two parts. Divided into two parts. The outside is white matter and inside is gray matter. Gray matter means this part, this H-shaped part, this is made up of, this gray matter is made up of nerve cell bodies, that is the soma, dendrites, and some portion, say first node of Ranvier up to first node of Ranvier of the axis nerve neurons. And this white matter is entirely made up of nerve fiber, either myelinated nerve fiber or unmyelinated nerve fiber. Okay, this is the gray matter. You know this gray matter is made up of mainly nerve cell bodies and dendrites, and this white matter is made up of myelinated and unmyelinated neural fibers. At the center, you see there is a central canal. At the center, a central canal is present. This central canal, through the central canal pass cerebrospinal fluid that helps to maintain the tension here inside, the absorb tension and protect the nervous system. I told you that it provides nourishment to the nervous system as well as central nervous system, and as well as it has got several functions. Maintain the pressure inside the central nervous system, because it is made up of soft tissue. So the pressure is to maintain inside the nervous system to absorb tension. That's why. So this is the central canal. Now the gray matter, you see, it's exactly the shape of a butterfly, the wings of butterfly, or the shape of H. Here, each half of this gray matter is divided into posterior and anterior portion. Here's the posterior portion. This posterior portion is called posterior gray horn. This portion, posterior portion, is called posterior gray horn. And this anterior portion is called anterior gray horn. Here in the posterior gray horn, there are all the sensory neurons, nerves of neurons, nerve cell body, soma of the sensory neurons are present here. In the anterior gray horn, motor neurons, cell body of motor neurons are present here. And between T1 to L2 segments, not all segments of spinal cord, only T1 to L2 segments of the spinal cord, there are lateral horn also. Here it is not shown. Lateral horn cells are also present. Here, small short extension here also shown between T1 to L2 segments. These segments, that is T1 to L2, the lateral horns, from the lateral horn cells, the preganglionic sympathetic fibers are arising. So the cell body of preganglionic sympathetic fibers are present in the lateral horn cells of the spinal cord. So in the gray matter, each half of the gray matter is divided into posterior gray horn and anterior gray horn, and from between T1 to L2 lateral gray horn. Okay. Now see the sum between these two half of the gray matter is connected above and below this, above and below this central canal. These two halves communicate. These are the commissural fibers. These fibers are commissural fibers. They pass from one half to this half to the other half, because this is called posterior gray commissure, and in front the commissural fiber, gray fiber, commissural gray fiber in front of the central canal is called anterior gray commissure. This is called posterior gray commissure, and this is called anterior gray commissure. Right? Now this is the gray matter. Next, the white matter of the spinal cord. The white matter, you see, the spinal cord, white matter of the spinal cord is again divided into equal two halves. It is divided in the, particularly the posterior part is divided into equal two halves by this posterior median septum. It divides this two part. This is called dorsal white column. This is called dorsal white column or posterior white column. Then between these two furrow, that is the anterior lateral sulcus and posterior lateral sulcus, this portion of the spinal cord is called lateral white column. This portion is called lateral white column, and between this portion, that is the anterior median fissure. Between the portion between anterior median fissure or anterior lateral sulcus, this portion is called anterior white column. Okay, so I'm again repeating the neural segment of the spinal cord. We have already learned about furrows and sulci, and about the spinal nerves. You see spinal nerve. This is the dorsal spinal nerve entering into the spinal cord. Here is the dorsal root ganglia. All the sensory nerves carrying touch, pain, temperature, whatever sensation, they have to enter into the spinal cord through this route into the gray matter. And see, they have to cross through this dorsal गैंग्लिया, यहाँ से ऐसा पास कर जाते और यह साइनप्स होते. It depends on the neural tract, and all the motor nerve fibers are coming out from this side, from the motor, from the anterior root or the motor root. Okay, and so the synapse is taking place here in the gray matter, and this is under this synapse is under control. These neurons, these motor neurons, are getting information from the sensory neuron and also from the higher centers, from the cerebral cortex, from the basal ganglia, from the cerebellum, etc., to control the functions of this motor neuron that's applying to the muscle or to the gland. Now the neural substances of the spinal cord is divided into inner gray matter, outer white matter. The inner gray matter is in the form of H-shaped, either it's a H-shaped or the form of the wings of a butterfly. It is divided into two equal halves. At the center, there is central canal. CSF flows through this central canal. At the posterior side, it is this. Each half is divided into posterior gray horn and anterior gray horn. Between T1 to L2 segment of spinal cord, there are lateral gray horn. Posterior gray horn is a seat of sensory neurons, sensory soma of the sensory neurons. Anterior gray horn, this here the motor neurons are present here, motor nerve cell bodies are present here, and the lateral in the T1 to L2 segment, the lateral horn, the nerve cell body of the preganglionic sympathetic fibers are present. The white matter of the spinal cord is made up of myelinated and unmyelinated nerve fibers that pass through the spinal cord. Now, this spinal cord, you see, each half, it is divided into two halves. In the posterior side, it is divided by posterior median sulcus in the two halves, and these are called posterior white column. The portion is between posterior median fissure to posterior lateral fissure, right? And the portion between posterior lateral, posterior median fissure to posterior lateral sulcus. Between the portion, middle portion between posterior lateral sulcus to anterior lateral sulcus, this is called lateral white column. And this portion between the anterior median fissure and anterior lateral sulcus, this portion is called ventral white column or anterior white column, right? Is it clear up to this? Then I'll go to the nuclei which are present here in the spinal cord. Okay? समझा क्या नहीं समझा? See, in the next class, actually I will send this. तो तुमको ये दे, I will send the PDF today. तो तुमको ये अच्छा से learn करना है. In the next class, I will draw this picture and you have to, I mean, ये nomenclature करना है, जैसे कौन सी कौन पार्ट कौन सी है, and the nucleus also. ठीक है? कुछ तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है तुम लोग. हेलो?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
पूरा अच्छे से आज PDF भेज देंगे तो वो अच्छे से ठीक से पढ़ो. एटलीस्ट द स्ट्रक्चर्स ठीक से देखो, पिक्चर देखो, तभी तुमको पता चला जाएगा सब सारे which part is which part. Yes, अच्छे से देखो. Now let's see the nucleus. ये ध्यान से सुनो, ये ध्यान से नहीं सुनोगे तो तुम ट्रैक नहीं समझोगे, ठीक है, समझोगे, ठीक है। ये ट्रैक, ये देखो न्यूक्लियस. There are several lots of pictures are there. Okay, but this is the easiest one to remember. So I have given this one. Lots of pictures are there in the net, in the book also. So whichever you think convenient for you, to वो तुम देख सकते हो. मगर see, this is called posterior gray horn. All the nuclei, I mean the cell body was situated in the gray matter. So the nuclei are collected here. So what is the importance of this nuclei? तुमको ये जानना क्यों चाहिए? क्यों तुमको ये जानना चाहते? Because its nuclei are not, they are not random. These are the cell body of the fibers that carry a specific sensation from a specific receptor. Say for touch receptors or pain receptors, their cell bodies are here, this blue color. This blue color nuclei, these carry, they actually the cell body of the pain receptors. Similarly, like this, several tract carries different sensation and their cell bodies lie accordingly here to here. This is very important to understand. See here in the lateral, the nuclei of the spinal cord can be described in two ways. We can describe this nuclei in the two ways. Either by this nuclei with the name of the nuclei, only the name of the nuclei, or in the layers, because they are arranged in layers. That's why they are arranged in layers. That's why these are called lamina. In either in lamina or in nuclei, whatever you want, you can explain this. See, first is number one is marginal nucleus. At this marginal nucleus, at the margin, at the tip of the posterior horn, the nuclei present are marginal nucleus. At the tip of the posterior horn, present the marginal nucleus. Below this marginal nucleus are substantia gelatinosa of Rolando. This is substantia gelatinosa of Rolando, SGR. Below the SGR, see this chief sensory nucleus. Below this SGR, chief sensory nucleus. And at the basal side of the posterior horn, situated Clark's column or Clark's dorsal nucleus. Clark's column or Clark's nucleus or Clark's dorsal nucleus. So in the posterior horn, 4 types of chief, neurons are present. These are marginal nucleus, substantia gelatinosa of Rolando, chief sensory nucleus, and Clark's nucleus. But these nucleus are arranged in these layers in the posterior horn. So they are called lamina. These are called layers or lamina. This lamina 1 is called marginal nucleus. This lamina 1 is called marginal nucleus. 2 and 3 for substantia gelatinosa of Rolando. Up to 5. This up to 5, it's here is up to 6 is actually in the posterior gray horn. 7, this 7 is in the lateral gray horn. Lamina 7 is the lateral gray horn. I told you this lateral gray horn is present between T1 to L2 segment, not in all segments of spinal cord. T1 to L2 segments. These are called intermediolateral nucleus. These nucleus are called intermediolateral nucleus. Is a cone nerve, is exiting, emerging. कौन सी नाव इससे इमर्ज होते हैं? इंटरमीडियोलैटरल से कौन सी नाव निकालते हैं? Can you tell? Lateral nucleus से कौन सी नाव इमर्ज होते हैं? At least 3 to 4 times in this lecture, today's lecture, I have repeated this. और प्रीवियसली तो जितना बार चाहे बताते ही जा रहा है. तुमको समझते क्या नहीं समझ? तुम लोग समझ रही है क्या नहीं समझ रही है? Are you getting me or not? Intermediolateral nucleus से कौन सी नाव निकालते? Do you hear? Students, hello? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो, सुनाई दे रहा है? It seems that कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
सुनाई दे रहा है मैम, सुनाई दे।
तो बताओ ये क्या है? इंटरमीडियो लैटरल न्यूक्लियस है, कौन सी नाव? ये तो आई थिंक तुम लोग एनाटॉमी में नहीं पढ़ा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड अभी तक?
नो।
नहीं पढ़ा तो तुमको ये एनाटॉमी में भी लगेगा। तो सब बताओ ये क्या है? इंटरमीडियो लैटरल न्यूक्लियस से कौन कौन नर्व निकालते हैं?
मैम सिंपैथेटिक नर्व,
sympathetic nerve, preganglionic nerve, right? Very good. Sympathetic preganglionic fibers are arising from here. কোনখান থেকে কোন অবধি আছে স্পাইনাল কর্ডের? not in all segments of spinal cord. In which segments of spinal cord a lateral horn cells intermediate nucleus আছে? In which segment of spinal cord? In all segments. How many segments are there in spinal cord? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के सेगमेंट कितना?
T1 से L1 तक
L2 तक, yes. T1 से L2 तक, intermediate nucleus, right? And here you see, this is the motor. Sensory. These are the sensory nucleus. These are sensory. Posterior gray horn is sensory nucleus. And ये बताओ, ये देखो, see in the anterior horn में जो nucleus है, all are motor neurons. See, larger neurons are called this here, larger blue color neurons. These are called alpha motor neuron. These neurons are alpha motor neuron. Their neurons are long. They supply to the extrafusal fiber. And this red one, they are gamma motor neuron, alpha motor neuron, and these are called gamma motor neuron. This gamma motor neuron supply to the intrafusal fiber. They supply to the muscle and also to the gland, is motor nerves, motor nerve fibers. Sorry, supply to the muscle, motor nerves, motor neurons. So there are, but they remain scattered. See here, they remain in layers. ऐसा ऐसा लेयर करके रहते, मगर ये लेयर की नहीं, they remain scattered. That's why this anterior horn में ये देखो lamina 8 and lamina 9 is present. Lamina 8 is for alpha and gamma motor neuron. Both gamma and alpha motor neuron are present in lamina 8. And lamina 9, these smaller cells, these smaller cells are called Rancho cells. These Rancho cells are inhibitory cells. Inhibition is a very, very, very important property of central nervous system. जो inhibition नहीं रहते, ये सारे को फंक्शन जो है से मोटर न्यूरॉन को जो डिस्चार्ज, मोटर न्यूरॉन जब डिस्चार्ज करेगा मसल में, तो उसको कंट्रोल करना चाहिए. दैट एक्चुअली द ब्रेन फंक्शन इज टू कंट्रोल दिस लोअर मोटर न्यूरॉन. The neurons which are coming out from these motor cells are called lower motor neuron. Anterior gray matter को जो न्यूक्लियस है उसको कहते हैं लोअर मोटर न्यूरॉन. These are alpha and gamma motor neuron. ये gamma and alpha motor neuron को जब डिस्चार्ज होते हो डायरेक्ट चला जाते हैं मसल के टू कंट्रैक्ट मसल और टू रिलैक्स टू कंट्रैक्ट मसल. तो इसका कितना, हाउ मेनी इंपल्सेस आर टू से, कितना से I mean, to move, say to move one finger from this point to that point, how much I mean impulses are to send to the muscle to control muscle contraction. Yes, these inhibitions are coming to these inhibitory cells, that is Danshauer cells, and also this inhibition is coming from the cerebral cortex, basal ganglia, and from motor areas of the brain. Okay, so these motor neurons are under control of these inhibitory neurons, Rancho cells, and because and also some internancial neurons, interconnecting neurons are there. They form this interconnecting neuron from the lamina 9. Here is the lamina 9 interconnecting neuron, and surrounding the central canal, this is lamina 10. So some cells are present. These are neuroglial cells. These are not nerve cell body. These are actually neuroglial cells surrounding the central nervous. Sorry, the central canal. This is called lamina 10. Okay, so please you repeat what are the nucleus in the posterior gray horn? What are the nuclei in the posterior gray horn? At the tip there are
marginal nucleus.
मार्जिनल न्यूक्लियस, मार्जिनल न्यूक्लियस के नीचे क्या है?
Substantia gelatinous.
Substantia,
Substantia.
substance, gelatinosa,
Gelatinosa
gelatin-like
of
substance. So
Rolando.
substantia gelatinosa of Rolando. Rolando is the scientist who have discovered this. So this is substantia gelatinosa of Rolando. उसके नीचे है
Chief sensory nucleus.
sensory nucleus, and at the basal side of the posterior horn में क्या है?
Flux nucleus.
Flux nucleus. So they are arranged in lamina. ये है lamina. So lamina 1 is for marginal nucleus. This part will be lamina 1. Lamina 1 here it is seen. The tip portion is lamina 1. Here it is for marginal nucleus. In the posterior horn, from lamina 1 to lamina 6. Lamina 6 तक posterior horn में जितना सारे layer है. So lamina 1, substantia gelatinosa is lamina 2 and lamina 3. Okay. ऐसा करके चलते हैं. And lamina 6 is for which? This one, this neuron in the lateral horn cells. ये neuron का नाम क्या है? These are the nucleus.
Intermediolateral nucleus.
Yes, between two. So this is intermedial and it is lateral. In the lateral horn cell, so it is called lateral. Intermediolateral nucleus. And here motor neurons are there. In the anterior horn, motor neurons are there. Lower motor neurons. Nucleus of lower motor neurons. So lower motor neurons, इसका nucleus का नाम क्या क्या है? Larger, जो larger होता है, larger cells are called
Alpha motor neuron.
alpha motor neuron. Very good. They supply to the extrafusal fiber and of the muscle. और ये छोटा वाला जो सेल है उसको कहते हैं
Gamma motor neuron.
Gamma
motor neuron.
motor neuron supply to the intrafusal fiber, and they are arranged in lamina. ये lamina ये if it is 6 it will be lamina 7. Lamina 7. And rantral cells are inhibitory cells also present here. These are inhibitory cells also present here. And lamina 8 is for, this is lamina 8 and this is lamina 9. Lamina 9 is for internuncial neuron. Lamina 9 is for internuncial neuron. And lamina 10, this layer?
Central canal.
Surrounding central canal. ये क्या है? ये क्या न्यूक्लियाई है? No. ऐसा नो न्यूक्लियस है. सेल का न्यूक्लियस कुछ नहीं होता. ये एक्चुअली क्या है?
Neuroglial cell.
Neuroglial cell. Good. This is neuroglial cell. This is the original picture of the spinal cord. You see, this is the original picture of spinal cord. Here you see. This is the central canal, the fissure, the sulcus, posterior median sulcus. This is the septum. Another ये तुमको भूल गया. इधर ये तुम देख लो. ये देखो जो white matter की जो commissure in front of the anterior gray commissure, some white fibers are white commissure is also present. This commissural fibers of white matter is also present. ये क्या होता? Say you know that हमारा left side of the brain controls the right side. Right side से जो sensation वो left brain तक जाते. तो इसीलिए जब वो न्यूरॉन्स नाउ आई मीन स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से पास करते उसको क्रॉसिंग होता. कुछ ट्रैक वो क्रॉस इन द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, सम ऊपर जाके मेडुला में क्रॉसिंग होता. तो इधर जो जब क्रॉसिंग होता व्हाइट मैटर की जब आई मीन द फाइबर बैंड ऑफ फाइबर्स जब क्रॉसिंग करते तब यहाँ से क्रॉसिंग होता. तो इसीलिए दिस इज कॉल्ड anterior white commissure, but there is no posterior white commissure. In front of the central canal here, if this is the central canal, it is shown here in front, and at the back of the central canal, gray matters are there. This is called anterior gray commissure, posterior gray commissure. But in front of the, yes, मगर ये spinal cord से इधर white matter की posterior white commissure नहीं है. Only anterior white commissure is there. Anterior white commissure is there. So this is the, this side, you see, this is the posterior gray horn. This is the gray matter. This is the white matter. This is the posterior gray horn. This is the anterior gray horn. Lateral gray horn is not shown here. Posterior and anterior gray horn. And these are the sulcus. The posterior root is going out through this. This is the posterior root. So this is the posterior lateral sulcus. This is the posterior median sulcus. This is the septum. And this is the anterior lateral sulcus. This depression through which the anterior root is coming out. Here, the same picture. Actually, you see the dorsal root, and this is the ventral root. They join to form the spinal nerve, this spinal nerve, and coming out through the intervertebral foramen. These are the different levels. While we will, learn about the tracts, the several segments, we have to draw these several segments. So please, in the next class, I will show you how to practice this drawing. This drawing is the must, because you have to draw this several segments of the spinal cord. You have to draw this. In the next class, pen pencil रख के बैठो and मेरे साथ तुम draw करो ये, so that you can easily draw the spinal cord picture. The different levels, different segments of spinal cord you have to draw during description of the tract, sensory tract and motor tract. Okay. See, next class. तुम ये सारे समझा क्या नहीं समझा? The structure of spinal cord as a whole, I mean the anatomy, in gross anatomy of the spinal cord, and the transverse section of the spinal cord. We have learned so far today. In the next class, I will show you a video on brain. I will discuss brain later. अभी brain discuss नहीं करेगा. अभी तो हम लोग tract करेगा. मगर if I do not give an idea about brain, different parts of brain, तुम tract नहीं समझोगे. Tract कहाँ से कहाँ जाते हैं brain को, वो तुम नहीं समझोगे. इसलिए I will show you a video on brain. Then I will discuss. Then तुमको ये मुझे बताना है. You have to draw a picture with me, and also you have to label different parts of the spinal cord, transverse section of the spinal cord. वो करने के बाद I will start. पहले हम देखेगा कि तुम सबको ये आ गया. I mean तुम लोग सब समझा spinal cord की all the nuclei and also ये सारे. Then I will start. ठीक है? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
कुछ
Yes,
क्वेश्चन
ma'am.
है? कोई क्वेश्चन है? देखो कुछ नहीं समझा और क्या कुछ क्वेश्चन है किसी को? है क्या नहीं है बताओ. नो तो आई थिंक सारे सो गया क्या? लगता है सो गया.
No, ma'am.
इट्स ओके. ठीक है, चलो तुम लोग सब लोग है कैसे? पहले वो तो बताओ, बहुत दिन तो वो नहीं पूछा. ठीक है ना सब लोग?
Yes, ma'am. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
रूम में बात करो अभी, वो नहीं निकालो रूम से अभी. हाँ, ओके.